Yeah, picking my nose. What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever YouTube speed painting video. I'm just gonna put my legs up here all impolite like. On this video, I took part in a challenge on TikTok called the Atla OC Challenge. So the Avatar: The Last Airbender OC Challenge. It was started by a TikToker called... Go check her out on TikTok. She started the challenge and I'm honestly a little bit late to the gate here, but I wanted to do the challenge. I had a friend recommend it to me. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. It's something a little bit new for me, so let's get into the time lapse. Let's get into the time lapse. Yo. Let's jump into this. Alright, let's get into the, well, that being said, let's get into the time lapse. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. Hey guys, really quick before I let you go, check out these lines of action that I create in the beginning of making this piece. I don't always use line of action, but I found that this was one of the most helpful tools in making this piece a finished, successful product. If you find that your characters or pieces are lacking in some way, try starting out with lines of action and building from there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you stuck around, thank you again. I appreciate you watching it. If you want to see more of my art, follow me on Instagram at Carsondood. If you want to see TikTok content, I'm on TikTok at Carsack. and I'll be posting more longer form videos like this here on YouTube. I'd like to see more people do this challenge, so if you're an artist out there and you're not speaking up with your artistic voice, get out here, here, do this challenge, share it on TikTok, share it with me, I'll shout you out, and I'm looking forward to seeing. I'm looking to see, I'm it. I'm looking to see it. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys later.